Hi guys, Struggle_2796 here, and today I've got another unboxing video for you today, guys. So today is the Gigabyte Aorus 16X, I believe, or it's either X16 laptop. So I've just got this today, and it is running a 4070, but it was the perfect price, and it's got everything that we'll need so we can do content on the go as well as doing it at home. So let's have a quick look. Obviously the box at the top is just sort of a plain box, 16X it's called, and on the back it's just sort of the same, Team Fight On. Doesn't really say much on the side there, does it? No. And on the other side, I don't think it really, does it say? Ah, there you go, there's all the specs of it. So I'm hoping it, yeah, just here. So it is a QHD with 40 RTX 4070, i9, a DDR5 at 16 gigs times 2, and a SSD 1 terabyte. So let's put it back down. Let's just break this nice shiny seal, and let's actually see what we get. So it was a little bit pricey, I won't say that. This was £1,700 in the UK from Couriers. So you get the laptop, which is nice and in a nice little sleeve. But let's just put that to one side for the time being. See what we get in here. What do we get in here? Whatever it is, it doesn't want to come out. So, got an Aorus. Oh, so these are just manuals, but it looks like in a warranty card. So nothing major in there. Hopefully, and then in here, got the nice brick. It's nice and slim, to be fair. It's nice and slim, and just a normal little charger, and then the plug, and I'm assuming that that will be it and what you get with it. So obviously there's not really much else they could really send with it, but yeah, so the rest of the box is empty after that. So this is just obviously the unboxing video of this. So I'm hoping it'll have a little bit of power in it. So let's actually have a look at this then. So this, I'll have you get into it. So here we go then. So this is a nice laptop. It's got the Aorus logo at the top. Let's actually just shut that. So we've got a bit of a flat surface to put this on. So it's a 16-inch laptop. It's got the Aorus logo there. Nice little sleeve there. It's got the GeForce RTX logo here and the Intel Core i9 logo down here. It seems nice. I'm assuming it's got no charge in it. Oh, my bad. I'm assuming still got no charge in it. So we'll have to, this is obviously just going to be a quick unboxing video then, because there's not really much else to really say. But that's it on the back. So got Aorus there. What's it say down here? Don't really say much, to be fair. Yeah, there's not really much on the back here. But what we'll do is we'll get some juice into this, because then we can do a setup video on it. So we'll do that in the same video. Just let me get some juice into it and we'll be back once there's some juice in it. So I shall see you once we've got some juice. So guys, we're back at it. We've got a little bit of charge in it, I hope now. So we are now just going to turn the laptop on for the very first time. So there we go, we have got a bit of white light there. Just down here, I don't know if you think you can see that, but there we go. So there is a light that shines Aurora on the back. I don't know if you can even see that. Nope, as soon as you shut that lid. We'll have a look at that while that's loading up. I don't know if you can actually see that, but just down there, like this light here, it just shines Aurora. I don't really think you can actually see that, but it does just say that. And now we're just getting ready. So we're just at the getting ready stage. Hopefully it won't take too long. I really hope it doesn't take too long. So is that FN and the space? Yeah, FN and space controls the keyboard lighting. FN and escape's probably the fans. Yeah, car doesn't actually do anything. But I guess it's because it's probably still getting ready. So this does come with Wi-Fi 7. So 165 Hz 2K screen. I believe it comes with Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, which will be interesting to see. And also here, obviously your main gaming keys there are not the black colour, they are actually more of a clearer colour, as you can see just there. But if we just turn it off, you might be able to get a better. Yeah, I bet you won't be able to really see that on camera. Oh, you can a little bit, they do shine up a little bit more. But let's just put them back on. Weight wise, it's not the heaviest, it's also not the lightest. Mouse pad is quite responsive. I believe it only comes with a 1080p camera. Press F2 to set up, but we shouldn't really need to do anything because it should be ready to go, sort of out of the box, ready to go. So let's just wait for it. So that's actually quite a bright light. So I suppose I'm not going to have. No, so we're going to have to be English United States. Although, is this? No, it's not right. So let's just find United Kingdom. Alright, I bet that's going to be right. No. Find United. I've just gone past it. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Skip. Don't want to add a second keyboard layout. Let's connect. Boo. So we will not connected. Let's get. I don't want to connect. Right. Let me just see. What I will do is we'll quickly connect it to my phone's hotspot. So I don't know the password or anything for my Wi-Fi. That'll be done later on. Personal hotspot. Let's have a look. Is it? No, I don't want to connect to that. Personal hotspot. Aren't you? So that was the only thing that I have. Ah, there we go. So we'll just turn this away quickly while just type in what the password for it is. Connect to secured, there we go, that's fine. So we'll sort it all out with the proper home internet. And then I'll do a shorts video on what the Wi-Fi is actually like. So the Wi-Fi is currently just above, like, so where the laptop is here, just a bit further up. I know it's very, very dark, isn't it? I've got 1% on my phone left. I've got 0% on my phone left, it's just died. So let me just turn the PC on quickly. Obviously I know it's on. See if we can just get some Philips Hue to give us a little bit more light. Oh, that's so small. I'm hoping if we just lighten it up a little bit. No, that's not what I wanted. Bum bum bum. Yeah, general preference. Where the bob is it? Thanks for close settings. Extreme. I just want start light sync. I don't know what that'll do. Let's just go on the internet, get a white page up. Well, if we load some files up, so I don't know why Steam won't allow us to close it. There we go. I want that, there we go. A bit of a white page up, let's just search literally white. Images. Sort of a white background. Hopefully it'll just lighten up a little bit while we wait for this to do that. I don't know if it's because the internet on the phone could have just died. Sit back and relax while the magic happens. So what I'll do is we'll just quickly take a quick breather here while this does this, and as soon as we're on the home screen we'll be back. So I shall see you shortly. So we've just got through to where we're just getting the license review. So we're not actually going to read it, we're just going to accept it. It was just doing updates and stuff, which is why it's sort of like name your device. So we'll just name it. Oh, look. Well, actually, we'll name it truck underscore 2796. So just a moment again, I'm hoping this won't take that long. It didn't take that long to actually do the updates. So I think basically what was in a dilemma where my phone's had been killed because my phone died. So hopefully, yeah, here we go. We're getting somewhere now, hopefully. So Hopefully this won't take too long. Oh, we'll keep stopping. I don't know if it's just going to do something. There we go. So with that, just sign in quickly. So let me just quickly sign in. Whoop. And then quickly just get this sorted out. There we go. So just signed in quickly. Hopefully it does not take long at all. There is a nice Aorus thing there. So welcome back, experience the power, I don't, more options. Set up as a new PC. Set up as a new PC. Okay, yeah. That's it, great. So there we go. So we've got Face ID on here. Create a PIM. No. Yes, we'll keep that on. Yeah, we'll do that just so. No. Get text. No. So look, it's going to be basically for gaming. Got a bit of that, and yeah. Just because it is going to be mainly for usual for skip, then pay your iPhone phone link. Probably won't be doing that, to be honest. Don't back up my files because OneDrive does my nutting. Continue where you left off by importing. No, not now. So you've landed a free trial. Decline. Decline. Next. So once we've got this all set up and we've had time to sit with it, enjoy it a little bit, we will be doing a review on it. I know I've got a few videos to do down in the pipeline. I know I've got SteelSeries earbuds still. I've not even connected them to anything of sorts yet. So I know we have got a few things in the pipeline that we do need to do, and I haven't forgot about them. So just see how this goes and how long this takes. It shouldn't take too long. Hopefully. So I can't actually seem to get what that's to do. No, it doesn't seem to work at the minute. Maybe it's something later on. Right, almost there. So this computer goes to the Windows up. The computer goes to Windows Update. Driver install multiple settings. Please be patient to wait the reboot after settings complete. Oh, okay. So that is quite a nice little background, to be fair. I do like that. We don't need to set up browser. So let's just display settings while it's doing that. What are display settings at? So normally, when you get, so you go on advanced display settings. So it is 100. So it's 2560 by 1600, and it is already set to. So sometimes when you get them, they'll be set to 60, but they are already set to 165, which is good. So that means we can move that pretty quick. There's not really, so we've got about 75%, it's about 47 minutes remaining. So obviously we will be getting Steam and all of that on here. Just got a bit to go before we get to that point. So let's have a quick, while that does that, let's just have a yes, continue. Always have access to. Yeah, why not? How allow, yeah. Right, system. Horizontal, pick a theme. Dark and stormy, moonlight glow. Yeah, I'll go moonlight glow. It's quite a nice little thing. Set the website. Oh wow, no, we can do that. So, what? First things first. Let's just go speed test by Oakley. So see what this is. Bear in mind, this is still connected to my phone, which isn't connected to Wi-Fi. So this is just mobile data. So let's just see what mobile data sort we're getting. So we're not doing too bad really. So our download speed is 57.57. Our upload is going to take a massive hit on that, but that was expected. So yeah, 7.17. So that, but then later on we'll do a, well, obviously it won't be today, but once in our review I'll make sure to go ahead with connecting it to the like actual Wi-Fi. But yeah, so obviously the sort of games we'll try on this, we'll try multiple different games. We'll try a little bit of story driven games. We'll be doing some like Call of Duty style games, like FPSs, and we'll just see what it is. So let's just this PC properties. So yeah, here we go. We've got an i9 4900 HX, 32 gigabyte of RAM. And the graphics card will be on device management. Let's have a look. Device manager, can't even spell. So display adapters. Yep, there goes an NVIDIA 4070 GPU. Obviously it's a laptop GPU. So just going to let that do what it needs to do, and then obviously so you can actually use it as we've just been doing, just doing whatever there is. So for argument's sake, let's just check what the if we can, what's Scanner doing about the GPU situation. So are they getting any more 5090s in, because that's what we're wanting to go for with our desktop. So yeah, so today we've received small shipments from MSI, Gigabyte and PNA, which will all ship out today. They're 5080s, 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 5080s and then two 5090s, which is a PNY RTX and a Gigabyte Aorus RTX. But obviously I don't think it will allow us components, NVIDIA gaming, because this is what we want. No, it's still going to be, yeah, so we're still waiting a little bit for that. And then components, so don't think AMD gaming. Oh, the XT, how much are they up for? So they have got them, because I don't know if we're going to go for, I think we will go for a 5090, but the 9070 XT, they're not. They're literally coming out in 5 days. But I think there'll be an issue getting them as well. But there we go, so it's just restarting. Perfect timing, because it just literally got to see the last glimpse of that saying it was all done. Must admit that bit there does look a little bit weird. It makes it look like the screen sort of got a curve to it, and it hasn't. It's perfectly flat, I can assure you. Oh, there we go. So just face recognition like that. Done. And there we go. So that is the setup and the unboxing of that, of the Aorus X16. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please give me Truck a thumbs up. I mean the video a thumbs up. Me Truck a subscribe. It's trying to get 280. We are so close. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And comment down below about what you think, if you've got this laptop, or what you actually think to this laptop. And if not, I shall see you in the next one, guys. So thank you so much for watching. This is Truck here. Hope you have a wonderful day, and goodbye for now. Thanks and goodbye.